I'm Haley Mannebach. This is my name, and today's October 7th. And I'm just using a little note card with the names on it, but that's it, just to make sure I check everything off. So here I have my eye that I dissected. Get a little bit closer, and I've already cut it in half, so I'm just holding it together. But on the anterior portion here we have the cornea, and I already made a slit in the side of it to access the aqueous humor, and aqueous fluid kind of flowed out. So those are two of the parts. And then once we cut it in half into, this is the anterior portion and the posterior portion. On the inside is the vitreous humor. It's this jelly consistency here connected to the retina. So if I kind of pop that out, the vitreous body, we can see more. This is the posterior cavity here, because we have the retina there in the back, that like light colored, light colored material. And then behind the retina, it's connected to the optic nerve right here, so that's the optic disc, and then surrounding the retina is the choroid, and then behind the choroid is the sclera encapsulating all of it. The optic nerve is seen posteriorly here. Here's the optic nerve, and then again this is the posterior cavity. So if we go back up to the anterior cavity, and we have the cornea on the outside here, beneath that was the aqueous humor. And then we can see it from the interior section of it here. So this hard orange material, I didn't realize how hard it was, is the lens. And then this black outer covering that surrounded the lens is the iris. And then in the center of the iris is the pupil that leads into the aqueous humor and then into the cornea as well. So I think that's all of the things I was supposed to identify, and that's my dissection.